Hello, everybody. In today's session of Thoughtful Leaders, we have the director of Dr. D.Y. Patil Institute of Management Studies, Mr. Ashutosh Misal. A very warm welcome to you, sir.
Thank you.
Dr. D.Y. Patil Institute of Management Studies is one of the illustrious galaxy of educational endeavors of Dr. D.Y. Patil Pratishthan. DYPIMS is a NAAC A-grade accredited institute. DYPIMS conducts a 2 years full-time MBA program consisting of the 4 semester as per the Savitri Bhai Phule University. Dr. Ashutosh Misal has been successfully heading the institute from last a decade. We are here to know Dr. Ashutosh Misal's vision for the institute and his thoughts on the current scenario of the education industry. Sir, with your permission, shall we start?
Yes, please.
So, sir, what do you think about the COVID-19 has hit the education industry?
Well, COVID-19 has affected education industry, but in my opinion, only financially. Blessings in disguise, education has come up with a paradigm shift to online education in a big way in countries such as India, unlike advanced countries where online education is a history. The people in education, especially teachers and professors, they are required to upgrade themselves to adapt and be in the stream. Tech-savvy student generation has now started using technology in the most appropriate, apt and useful direction. So I don't think that COVID has affected education industry to a greater extent, but then these are the advantages. We have to see the brighter side of the thing.
All right, sir.
Yes,
So, being the director of the Dr. D.Y. Patil Institute of Management Studies, what is your philosophy of leadership and how would you describe your leadership style?
Well, I call myself a participative or a democratic leader because I never command, but I demonstrate how a particular thing is to be done and then expect everyone around to do it the way I have demonstrated it, or maybe the things are expected to be done. I respect everybody's opinion and take all the decisions in consensus with others.
Great. That is how a true leader should be, sir. Is what I believe.
Yes.
That's actually great. Right.
Yeah.
So, what are the benefits and career options after pursuing the MBA course from DYPIMS?
Okay. The fact remains that management has become inevitable part of our life. Whether qualification wise you have done it or not. Management education gives you a vision to think logical, realistic and creative at the same time, methodical, procedural, with the end in mind and global. Through COVID, though the COVID shall make current students face a lot of difficulties, but the change is only permanent thing in the world. At present, in spite of happenings around, online businesses have a lot of potential. So also an out-of-the-box thinking for making the traditional businesses also to go online is need of the hour. Entrepreneurship requires management in it, and management education has its intricacies built in. So DYPMS is on its toes to create quality entrepreneurs and management professionals, and career is of course inherent. Talking few more things about this, Savitribai Phule Pune University is offering combination of major and minor specializations where marketing, finance, HR, operations, supply chain and business analytics, these happen to be the major specializations, and tourism, hospitality, pharma, healthcare, international business and agribusiness management as minor specialization. And DYPMS is proud to offer all the possible combinations as the future is of multidisciplinary professionals, and of course each of us and each of these have positions to reach to the top.
Right, sir.
Yeah.
Sir, how do you help your students to cope up with the competition being so high in the outside world?
Right, true. Well, in this perspective, DYPMS thrusts on building competencies and developing the students rather than making to run the rat race. Competency development sessions, international types with global universities and institutes, industrial visits, guest sessions, workshops, conferences, interactions with the apex level managers twice a month, and so on, to let them know the pros and cons of the most recent things happening in the corporate world, sector-wise pre-placement training, full-time faculty for skills and competency development, language lab for improving the most required business communication abilities, and many more make the students of DYPMS competitive to face the competition.
Right. Sir,
Yeah.
when you came to Dr. D.Y. Patil Institute of Management and Studies, what was your
Yeah.
vision and how are you trying to achieve the same?
Well, it's a tricky question. Well, I'm honored to be the part of one of the most ethical and reputed MBA institutes, that's DYPMS. My role here is to reach the vision of the institute, which has already been well designed by the visionary authorities of DYPMS. We are accredited with A grade by NAC and earlier by NBA. We are proud to be going in for the second cycle for both. In my opinion, quality is the key to success, and standardization can bring in the quality. So hence, at my level, I am trying to build in SOPs in each and every aspect of the institute, and that would help me to achieve the vision of the institute. That's what I think.
Right.
Yes.
So, what do you see as the college's greatest strength and how it can be enhanced?
Okay, well, there are many, but the greatest strength of DYPMS is it's highly qualified and well-versed teaching faculty members
Okay.
on teaching staff. DYPMS alumni involvement also adds to the strength. In addition to that, international tie-ups with 10 plus foreign universities and institutes and collaborative projects, exchange programs, credits through those. In addition to that, PhD Research Center, industry and corporate MOUs, dedicated entrepreneurship development cell, then ASR, that is Academic Social Responsibility Activities through NSS, which is a rare thing in MBA institutes, and through Youth Rotaract Club, which DYPMS has recently started a year before. So keeping the students busy and engaged in well-planned and well-scheduled academic, co-curricular and extracurricular activities throughout 2 years. Scope for innovation, creativity, multidisciplinary activities by each and every student. In addition to that, mentoring and counseling at professional as well as personal level by each faculty member being their friend, philosopher and guide to get them out of anxiety and the stress, if at all it is there. DYPMS doesn't compromise anywhere with the quality of education. I think that could be the strengths of DYPMS.
Certainly. So, what are the types of projects that the students are working on through the different management program, different courses that has been offered by DYPIMS?
Okay. Well, academically, we, as mentioned earlier, we offer all the possible combinations of major, minor with university is offering. In addition to that, we have got a tie-up with many universities, even I mentioned earlier. So through such tie-up, one of such tie-ups with Academic Studio UK, the teams of students are working on live projects of digital marketing. When these students get placed, these students are working in the areas of digital marketing, then B2B and B2C sales and marketing. So also the sales of financial products such as mutual funds, insurance, shares, loans, etc. Even hardcore finance, FMCG sales, IT and ITS profiles, hospitality and tourism arena, functions of HR, of course, operations and supply chain domain, and even in the analytics, which is recently introduced by the university. That's how it works out.
Okay. And so,
Yeah.
will you please throw some light on the extracurricular activities conducted at DYPIMS?
Well, extracurricular activities in congruence with academics are proven to be very enthusiastically participated by DYPMS students every year. So DYPMS organizes sports and cultural days, traditional day, anniversaries of national idols, etc. The annual event titled Fusion is a happening event with innovative competitions, singing, dancing, bazaar, then games, sports, cultural show, in the presence of a celebrity and prize distribution of competitions year round at the hands of the celebrity. So it's one of the mentionable thing about DYPMS.
Okay.
Yeah.
And so, what would you like students to know more about DYPIMS that they might not know already?
Well, I don't think there is something about DYPMS which students do not know, because DYPMS is a brand in itself, ranked amongst top 5 institutes under Savitribai Phule Pune University. And we do different things and we do things differently. Alumni since its inception can witness and vouch for this fact.
Okay. I think the
Yes.
bit that you do things differently, and that is also a fact wherein the students should know about it, because they should know that DYPIMS is not just a regular B school, but it stands apart.
Absolutely, absolutely.
Sir, on the closing note, I would like to know any suggestion that you would like to give to the current youth or to the aspiring students.
Well, I would connect current youth and then probably I would say something. So the current youth and the aspiring students should remember only one thing in the current situation, that they should not lose hearts and get demotivated and demoralized, because nothing is permanent in the world. So take advantage of the precious gift you have got right now, that is time. Make use of each and every minute for learning something which you always wanted to be or maybe dreaming of. Pursue your decisions, be positive and optimistic. The future is yours.
Great, sir. Great. So that is all from my side. We've had a wonderful session with you. I thank you for taking your time out of your busy schedule to have an interview with us. Thank you very much, sir.
Thank you so much. Nice talking to you.
Thank you so much.